Good evening. Just thought I'd do an update on the shack tidy up and an important part on the earthing and bonding. So I've got the book, A-double-R-R-L book on earthing and bonding. I've had it for a while now. So good read, interesting. Dispels a lot of myths about RF and electrical safety, RF safety. Can really recommend getting it and having a look up. So with that, I used to have these on my old desk and strap the radios to that. This time I've had this copper pipe for nearly a year. So yeah, I got the copper pipe from out the garden, gave it a rub down with a bit of wire wool to clean it up nicely, and I fixed it to the radio worktop. So that will get me, my radios will come here, the power supplies and the earth straps will come into here, and they'll be bonded onto this pipe, which in turn that will feed down into here, into this pipe here. This is where my power supply is going to go, under here. And here's my artificial ground, but actually does feed into proper ground outside as a full-length grounding stake, copper grounding stake, and hammered into the ground outside. Goes nicely through the panel, so that will improve when you. I think I've demonstrated this before. When you transmit, you tune so you can see the RF ground current, and you tune it up to get the inductance and the capacitance correct, and yeah, you just get a better earth. Of course, you know, I've got my radials and on the 6V TV, but I've got an end-fed as well. It'll be quite interesting to see what it does when I use that end-fed, because that's going on the well, it's going on both antennas. I've got another video to show, but I'm going to ask some questions at Radio Club this week before put it all together. Just check with my colleagues there. But back to this one. So yeah, I've got my artificial ground there. Got my bonding pipes ready for the radio power supplies to go on and onto the ground for the radios. And yeah, hopefully that will improve the performance of the radios and the transfer efficiency as the ground goes out to a proper ground. Got some really good quite high gauge copper. There's quite a few strands in there. I'll count, I can see at least 6 strands of quality copper in there. Got this off Amazon a while ago, but yeah, you can see it's really firm to bend. It's very high gauge copper to carry the RF out. So yeah, I will eventually put in an air gap fuse for the electrical safety coming from the masts, but in the first stage I'm more interested in keeping RF out of the shack and doing the bonding of the equipment into a common ground. So yeah, that's my update for this evening. Need to get the radios back on here and have a listen in, I think, and just have a chill. Hope you all keep them well. Thanks for watching these videos. I really like the comments, and anything you'd like to ask, or maybe you have an opinion you want to share, please do feel free to provide feedback. I really welcome it. I think it's a healthy discussion about the hobby in general. If I've got something wrong, I'd like to learn that. And if you want to ask me something and I can find it out, or learn something myself by finding out the answer to the question, happy to do that as well. For now, take care, stay safe. 73's 2E0 FWE.